Good afternoon, everyone. This is Gary Little from VenomKarts. Wanted to talk briefly about one of the features of our initial product, which is a-tron. As you know, that will be a 70-mile-an-hour fully electric racing go-kart intended to compete with gas-powered karts. All a-tron products will include regenerative braking. For those of you who don't know, regenerative braking is a process whereby when you let off the accelerator, it essentially recharges your battery to some extent and also assists in the braking process. You're looking at a screen from our battery management system software, or BMS software, which shows, among other things, the pack state of charge, which is currently at 94%, the pack current, which is just under 1 amp of current at rest, and the pack voltage, which is at 54.8 volts. So when I press the accelerator, you will see the pack current go up probably to about 100 amps. But if you look very carefully at this number, as the motor winds down, you will see that it turns negative just for a moment. This is the regenerative braking that I spoke of. You will see the negative number indicating that current is actually flowing back into the battery. Does not fully recharge the battery, but does extend the range somewhat, and as mentioned before, from a racing standpoint, it aids in the braking process. So watch carefully this number. It'll be fairly loud when I press the accelerator. Watch it go negative just as the motor is winding down. Okay, if you looked quickly enough, you saw that we hit about 7.5 amps negative, which meant that for that moment 7.5 amps of current was flowing back into the battery. That's just a quick demonstration of our regenerative braking capabilities, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us on Facebook. Also, please like us on Facebook. Check out our website at www.venomkarts.com. Thank you.